This error can occur in multiple scenarios, and in this tutorial we will analyze few of them to make sure you know what to do when you see this error. Here I have created 4 types of data. They are set, dictionary, list and tuple. Alright, let's jump into the error and solve it. First here I type, our set. The set type has a method called add, so I call it by add and inside of the parentheses I put 5. Here I'm simply print our set. You can see that 5 has been added to our set. Let's see what happens if I send our list here. Let me run this cell. You can see that we are facing an error. The error says that the list is an unhashable type. To resolve this kind of error, you need to understand what is unhashable type. So, let me explain it by an example. Before I explain, I'm going to give you a tiny exercise. All you have to do is change the first element in our list and the first element in our tuple to 5 by Python. I'll give you 30 seconds to do that. I think you are stuck with an error. It's okay, I have written here just like your code. Just our list, 0 equals to 5 and, our tuple, 0 equals to 5. If I run this cell, we can see here the expected output. But if I run this cell, we are running into the error. The real problem comes from here. Let me explain it. We can change an element in the list to our liking, but see here that this cannot be done in tuple. It is with this distinction that we divide hashable and unhashable. If they cannot be modified after they are created, they are called hashable. For example, tuple, string, integer and boolean. If they can be modified, they are called unhashable. Examples are list and dictionary. Alright, let's solve this error by what we have learned so far. If you find an error like this, it means that a hashable object must be used for the argument or parameter of the function. So here I'm avoid this error by passing a tuple instead of list. Because tuple is a hashable type. If I run this, well, the error is gone. And also tuple is added to our set. Guys, don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this.